What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have a special unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. So here's the box, the bag. Here we have the phone. Notice, and I don't know if it's just me, maybe other people have seen it too, but what's up with these issues like this? And I had the same like nick on it on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I got that. We got a case, and yeah, that's how you get on the bag. Really nice bag though. All right, anyways, let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. So here we have the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If you watched my unboxing of this phone, it's pretty similar. It's just that this is a Pro Fold. Now, if you guys are wondering which one I have here, I have the 256 gigabyte model, and this is the Obsidian color. So let's not waste any more time. So Google, nice presentation. Not my favorite, but I've already expressed those feelings before. Alrighty, so when you get it, 2 tabs in the back. You guys are kind of used to it already. Peel here, peel here, and now this should just slide right out. So this thing would just slide out like that, because apparently people were bashing me on my last video because I ripped this part. Anyway, so now we have the outline of the Pixel Fold. So very small, skinny box. A certain weight to it though, for sure. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay. Very thin, very, very thin, I must say. Nothing compared to like the first generation Pixel Fold, but nonetheless, move that to the side. What else do we get in the box? USB-C to USB-C cable. Nothing fancy here. You kind of already know what you get. And your SIM eject tool, and a bunch of paperwork. Yep, pretty much that is it. And that's it. Maybe they left that there because they were going to include some headphones. I wish. Nonetheless, here we have it. Very nice presentation so far. You know, a lot of people online have been making fun of this, but I mean, it's a triple camera setup, so let's see how that looks. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Okay, very nice. Whew, okay, so very aggressive, I would say. It's really hard to put words into it, but you can definitely tell the improvements from the last Fold. And I really wish I would have had it with me, but unfortunately I had to trade it in order to get this phone. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and power it on. This is the first time I've seen the phone in person, so this is my genuine reaction. I have not seen it. I actually avoided seeing it, trying to look at it in the store. So welcome to your Pixel. But let's just admire the craftsmanship. Oh, okay. So the outer display, it seems like it's the perfect size, matte finish, which feels really good. I mean, it's really similar to, you know, this is kind of like what their new phones are going for, but just the size comparison, it's just a tad. The 9 Pro XL is just a tad bigger. For one-hand use, I can see how this is a lot easier, but overall, like, it feels really good. It feels light compared to this. Actually, no, this feels a little heavier. So this does feel a little heavier than this one, but it feels actually really good in the hand. So you know what? Let's go ahead and set it up. Set up using another device. We'll just skip this for now, guys. So let's go ahead and I'll walk you guys through the setup process. So welcome to your Pixel. Let's get started. Pixel or Android device. Let me go ahead and scan that. Now, using a Pixel phone from a Pixel phone just should be super easy. Okay, set up your Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I swear, Googling these names, man. Scan QR code. Okay. Continue device setup. So we're just asking me for my PIN. That's connecting me to my Wi-Fi. It's getting my device ready. So honestly, this transition should be really smooth. Wow. I mean, obviously the phone came unfolded. Duh, right? So you can't really see the crease, but I mean, they did a really good job of hiding it. One hand usage on this feels like it's gonna be super natural. The hinge here, it'd be nice if they put like a little G here, or if they wrote Google, kind of what Samsung does. But the hinge feels sturdy. It feels really nice. All right, so we've inserted the SIM card. All right, so next thing is to set up our fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is going to be right here off to the side. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Use fingerprint or face to verify your purchases on Google. I agree. Copy data from another Android device. Yep, we're just going to transfer everything from this phone. Again, I don't know what's been going on with their packaging lately, but you know, not the greatest. This case will run you $49.99 if you are thinking about getting it. So right there, you got a little tab. You just take it out, and then you just slide the case out. And right here, it's got kind of like a little pocket, a little like nick that you just peel. All right, then the case comes out, and then these are just instructions on how to put on the case, etc. And if you've had a fold in the past, you know that it's like a 2 case setup. I bought it because I didn't want to be using this phone. With no case, as you may know. But let's see how it looks with the case. Well, I mean, it matches pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. So here it's just asking you all the stuff that you want copied. So yeah, so while it's doing that, let's go ahead and put this thing on here. Okay, accept, turn on backup. We live in the United States of America. Close, next, I accept. I don't really want to use Gemini right now. Same thing as the Pixel 9 Pro XL setup pretty much. So something that I always turn on this menu is identify music, setup always on display. Oh, and get instant translation. I think that's about it though. All right, cool, so now it's just copying everything. It's saying about 10 minutes left, but let's go ahead and put this piece on here. Obviously, you can discard that. I just didn't want to take them off because I'm not going to put it on at this very moment. But it makes the holding the fold a lot more sturdier in the hand. It makes it more like, you know, kind of one-handed, not really. But it does add a nice level of security if you're looking for that. But let me know in the comment section down below if you don't think this phone looks awesome. I mean, the hinge is nice and sturdy. What I like is that it sits completely flat, which is a plus. The camera bump, let's see, let's do the table test. Oh, okay, so it doesn't rock that bad, which is surprising. The only thing that, I don't know if maybe I'm just nitpicking at this point, but you're spending $1,800. Like you know how they make this little curve here and right here? Could we not just just extend the screen all the way here? You know, maybe they have a reason for that, you know, but I don't know. That's just me nitpicking, of course. I'll let this thing do its thing and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, and so now you are all set. You're ready to start using your device. Let's go ahead and tap home button to get to your home screen. Ooh, okay. I mean, I don't want to swear in these videos, but I have to say, the inner display, a lot crispier for sure. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Holy crap, this is nice. It feels like now we can compete with the other foldable phones. I'm not saying we couldn't with the old Pixel Fold, but with this new Fold, they've really stepped it up. I'm glad that they stepped it up, but they didn't increase the price, you know? Like sometimes when you want more, you gotta pay for more. Well, we got more for the same price. But wow, okay, let's see how this, oh, damn. I don't know, guys. If I'm being honest, I think this is the fold to beat. I think this is the foldable phone to beat. It feels just, it's smooth. It feels genuine. It feels like something you're accustomed to. One of the biggest gripes that I disliked with the old Fold was that it was just short. So, you know, I feel like I really had to like put it in my face in order to do stuff. But with this exterior, it's perfect, you know. Sometimes, you know, in our lifestyles, we can't always unfold it, so we need something that'll be usable. Yeah, no, it looks top notch. It feels good in the hand. Let's do a quick speaker test, because the speakers were amazing. The speakers were amazing on the other Pixels, at least on the previous Pixels. So this has to stand right up there with it. So let's go ahead, the video I previously made. All right, so let's go ahead and test the speakers. So I just received it today in the mail. Feels premium. Okay, welcome to Pixel. Let's go ahead and get started. Set up using another device. So for the sake of this video, and I don't want to keep you guys here longer than you have to, we're gonna go ahead and just skip that for now. Now it's searching up for Wi-Fi. All right, you guys, so while that's setting up, let's move aside, and this is all you get in the box. A USB-C to USB-C cable. Nothing fancy, no texture to it or anything. So you spend $1,100, and this is all you get. And then here in the top cover of the box, you have your SIM eject tool and, you know, all the paperwork that comes typical with a Pixel phone, or any phone really. Alright guys, and I also wanted to point out, like, you know, like the buttons on it. Like this is your lock button, volume up, volume down, microphone, I'm assuming, USB-C, speaker, and here is where they have the SIM card tray. But anyways guys, yeah, so far, first impressions, it looks, yeah guys, honestly, there's no disappointing on that. Everything here feels great. It feels like those $1,800 that you're gonna spend, it's gonna be a lot better. It's huge. It's like massive improvements compared to the previous model. You know, I don't want to get over, you know, I don't want to go over my head here, but I would have to say that so far, if I had to give this a grade on how everything feels, I would give it a B+, A-. Kind of wish they did a little better though. This is just me nitpicking at this point, but the bezels are kind of thick over here, you know, in comparison to the other phones. If you compare the bezels, which is a little hard to do, you can kind of tell like the bezels are a little bit thicker on this device. I mean, it's fair, I guess, you know. The buttons feel good, nice and clicky, not as clicky as these buttons, but yeah guys, I have to say, like, this, let's go ahead and test the cameras here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, I have to be honest with you guys, and I must say that this definitely feels like a huge upgrade, like huge. But nonetheless, you know, this is just an unboxing video. This is not a full review video, but this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions, any videos that you guys would like to see. And yeah, I say we're just gonna wrap it up here, and we'll see you guys in the review. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.